Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G and E, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this smartphone. Start by going into settings and scrolling down. Now choose apps over here and go into dual apps. Then choose create and pick one of your apps that you wish to clone. I will go with AliExpress, so I have to click on the switcher next to it, just turn on in this pop-up and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!